Hey guys, so I made a new book. It's about the operations side and well-being of EMS. It's pretty much it's everything without the fluff that you would get as far as like the topics we talk about. So let me show you a little bit about it. See how it looks. So this is the cover. All right. The way I built it is it gets straight to the point for the most part. So, like I said, just no fluff. You got notes, little pages to take your notes. You got some video links, kind of like my last book that I made, but it's just straight to the point. It's just like 1/3 of a textbook condensed. There's two more coming. I'm working on a trauma one and a medical one. But yeah, so I'm just kind of showing you guys what it looks like, give you an idea of what to expect. Not sure if I'm even showing this correctly because I'm not that good at this stuff. But yeah, so that's the video. That's the book. Check it out if you are looking to pass your NREMT.